This is what the Bangalore International Terminal looks like. I saw this Wolfgang Puck pizzeria and instantly knew I had to try it. After having the food and exploring a little bit, I headed over to the waiting area. This is the Bangalore to Dubai flight where I had my breakfast. Next, I took a train in the Dubai airport to the next flight in Chicago. The airport was full of stores and luxury bags, jewelry, and also had some amazing food. After taking some souvenirs from this shop, I went from my boarding gate and got this amazing kunafa chocolate. Ten on 10 recommend. Once the flight started, we were given bags with an eye cover and some toiletries. The food came shortly after, which I loved. I personally loved the food on Emirates, the food menu. I did get some amazing top views of the mountains in the flight. I saw snow, clouds, and there were some tiny ice crystals on my window at some point. From the O'Hare Airport in Chicago, I was headed to my hotel. I stopped on the way to enjoy some Chicago fall colors. The neighborhoods looked super cozy. This was the Halloween weekend, so you see a lot of houses here with Halloween decor. This is what the room at the Palmer House looks like. Afterwards, I went out for some pizza with more folks and tried out the famous Chicago deep dish pizza. This is what the entrance of Palmer House looks like. It's like stepping into history. The corridor was pretty empty and I was super fresh every morning in Chicago. I woke up at 6 am every day to take a walk. Chicago is famous for its architecture and I saw a lot of tall buildings on the way. Of course, I had to check out the famous Chicago Bean. I went to the Millennium and Maggie Daley Parks, which were right next to the Bean. This is front of Lake Michigan. This one has a lot of birds. Oh yeah, this is what they I went to Target to get some brushes and paste and spent quite some time in the grocery section. Target has a section for Pixel Watch too, which is very interesting. I had some pizza at a local place. It wasn't very good and I was not happy with this meal. Next, we went to a Sea Shack to try some lobster rolls. Garlic tater tots that were there with the lobster roll were amazing. This is us at the Chicago skyline at sunset. It was beautiful. I took a ride on the Navy Pier Ferris wheel. And then went for dinner and had some amazing home cooked salmon and prawns. I also had some hot chocolate. This is another morning with my coffee in the Palmer House. On my way to McCormick Place for the Grasshopper Conference, the sky was so beautiful, I didn't even blog after that. I actually got really busy during the conference because there were a lot of booths, a lot of people, very hustling, bustling, and it was super exciting. But at the same time, I was super busy working and networking with folks. Okay, this is some other day when I went to a bakery, and that is the day I took an architecture river tour cruise from Vendela Cruises, and it was amazing. Our host was fantastic and made the experience super exciting. I wasn't bored for a single moment. Shout out to Vendela Cruises actually for hosting these amazing architecture river cruises. And now when I look at buildings, I can't help myself understand that okay, this is vertical architecture, this is horizontal, and a bunch of other things. So again, shout out to Vendela Cruises for such an amazing experience. I came across a Harry Potter store in Chicago by pure chance. It had everything you could imagine, the wands, all the Gryffindor and the Hufflepuff and Slytherin merch that you could ever think of. They had those frog chocolates, everything that you can think of that was in Harry Potter, you had that. And because I'm a big Harry Potter fan and all I did for the 14 hours of my flight was watch Harry Potter movies like a marathon. This was like my dream. I enjoyed it to my fullest. I spent a lot of time there, and I'm so grateful that somehow the universe brought me to the store. So yeah, I got myself a bunch of stuff from here. I got a t-shirt, a wand, and a feather pen. This is another part of the Maggie Daly Park. I only have a very few clips from the conference because I was super busy. I absolutely loved how everyone was so organized in that area and people were maintaining queues so effectively. The conference was really life-changing in a lot of ways, but that's a different story to tell. I also went to the Gordon Ramsay Burger. This is Chicago's famous river walk. The conference had very interesting company booths, and one of them had this vending machine you see here. I played a game and got a scrunchie as a gift. I found this super nice cozy fireplace right outside the venue at McCormick Place. It was so warm on such a chilly day, and I didn't know, but it was supposed to start snowing in Chicago. But this fireplace kind of made me feel warm, and it was such a nice ending to my Grace Hopper conference experience. The Adler Planetarium had a bunch of super cool stuff. Though I missed the show, the people there were not very, they didn't really help us a lot in reaching the venue. So even though we were before time, it took us like 10 minutes to find the door, and by then we were 5 minutes late, so the door had closed. So reach an hour in advance, I would say. This is the sky deck on the Willis Tower, which is the highest building in Chicago, and Chicago has a lot of tall buildings, if you can see. This is the Tostada. It was my favorite place here for tacos in Chicago. This is the night river view. I also tried oysters for the first time. As always, at sunset, I'm at the shores of Lake Michigan. This is a small beach they had at the end of the walkway. Happy Monday was my favorite place to have my breakfast. This is the Shed Aquarium in Chicago. I saw a lot of cool sharks, stingrays that were swimming right underneath us, like literally underneath the floor. The way they have built it is super cool. I had some Chinese food for dinner. These are Stan's donuts. They were amazing. Okay, so coming to my most favorite part of this whole trip in Chicago was the North Avenue Beach. Next up is the zoo, the Lincoln Park Zoo in Chicago. Okay, so I went to a Halsey concert on the weekend and it was amazing. It was a lifetime experience. It was a full circle moment. I'm so proud of my life choices that led me here because 10 years ago I was listening to these songs and they were kind of helping me out in a lot of ways, and I did not know that the actual event that's happening, the actual concert, is called Back to Badlands, which is back to 2016. So I was like, I had no idea what concert this was, and I was so happy that I made the choice to kind of go to this one. Amorino gave me a taste of my favorite ice cream ever, and I'm never gonna forget this ice cream. Try the peanut flavor if you're here. There's snow in my hair. This is fun. Next, I headed to the airport where I was met with this beautiful sunset. We have reached San Francisco. This is the hotel where I'm checking in. It's called Dina's Garden Hotel. They left some chocolates which were okay-ish, not very good, but I liked the gesture. The blue of the sky in Palo Alto was so bright. It was so beautiful. It was one of my favorite places in the US. This is the hotel I've checked out. That's the sky. It's very pretty. So California has pahars and I'm excited to see the pahars. This is again one of my favorite breakfasts. You can see a bunch of breakfast options that I had throughout my stay here in Dina's Garden Hotel at their poolside restaurant. Okay, now we are at Mountain View. I'm exploring around the Google offices. The gym was very nice. I saw a lot of different snack options from what we have in India. Okay, that's a far off building I walked to. This is what it looks like from the inside. In my dinner, I love Chinese food, so I kind of got that as well. Ganesh is also here with me on vacation, and that's an apple pie flavored white chocolate that I got from office as well. This is me exploring the area around. Okay, now we are heading to San Francisco office in a bus, and I'm sitting on the front seat of a double-decker bus which has the best view of ever. Like, you have to be on this bus if you are traveling on a highway. I just reached San Francisco and this is the view. It's beautiful. So this is the San Francisco Bay Bridge. This is my strawberry lemonade. I'm riding a Waymo for the first time. Somehow I felt extremely safe in it. I felt completely normal. This is a crystal shop at Pier 39 at the San Francisco Pier. I am a crystal girl and I bought a bunch of crystals. The vibe here was very cozy and Christmassy at the pier, even though it was a cloudy day in San Francisco. This is me walking to the Twin Peaks. You can see the insane view behind me. That, by the way, is the Pacific. I had some pasta at this fine dining restaurant which looked really high end, but the food did not live up to the expectations. I saw this beautiful sunset and then came over to the Shack House Pizzeria for a slice of pizza. This is a pretty structure near the office. I got these cute and comfy bunny slippers. I am in my red Christmas PJs. Now we are taking a trip to the Alcatraz Island in the San Francisco Bay. This is the Golden Gate Bridge. We are at the Computer History Museum.
मैं ठीक हूँ। आप कैसे हैं? मेरी आंखें असली तो नहीं है, लेकिन वे बहुत कुछ देख सकती हैं। आप क्या जानना चाहेंगे?
This is the movie theater and we found a good movie to watch. The seats were very comfy. This is the hotel pool area. This is also where the Dina's Garden poolside restaurant is. This is a San Jose or some mall where a shootout actually happened a couple of weeks after we left. But the mall was really pretty, by the way. We saw long queues everywhere here, even at Ramen Nagi. Ramen Nagi deserves a special mention and a shout out because I've never had ramen this good ever. This is a random theater we entered thinking this was a live show and a live theater thing happening, and turns out it's some rescreening of some super old movie. And I was wondering why the tickets were just $7, so now it makes sense. This is the Oakland Zoo, the most breathtaking place, but also the one where I hardly recorded any videos. I was super busy enjoying and living in the moment. But look at this view. Just look at this view. I have been to so many Twin Peaks and a bunch of places in San Francisco. Nothing has this view. This is insane. And those are some gondolas that keep traveling from here. I'm just so grateful that I'm here. Insane. And the trail that they have, like, I did not take videos because obviously I don't want to take videos, but oh my god, you get to see animals from the top. This is like my dreamland. I love it. This is Pier 39 where I spotted some sea lions. The sky is so beautiful, I can't stop raving about the sky. The San Francisco Google office had different types of snacks and dill pickle flavored pretzels, which is the craziest flavor combination I can think of, where I was taking my shuttles to the San Francisco office and the Mountain View office. We took a cruise around the Golden Gate Bridge. It was breathtaking. The waves were crazy the moment we crossed the bridge. The calmer bay waters turned into crazy turbulence. After the cruise, I had some crab fried rice at Crab House. That's the Christmas tree at the pier. These are the fishes at Dina's Garden Hotel. I was in Emirates Premium Economy on the way back. They offered drinks the moment we got seated, and I chose this minty lemon mojito, which was super refreshing. The food was on another level. I had lobster biryani for the first time, and I kid you not, this lobster really tasted really good. And it tasted how I had expected lobster to taste like, but yeah, hopefully this is exactly what lobster tastes like, and the one that I had in Chicago was maybe not the right thing. I took some of these small alcohol bottles home to paint. Premium Economy even had fresh gulab jamuns for dessert, and they also had a basket of fresh breads you could choose from, which was the difference from economy, where they gave you like a piece of bread in a like already sealed. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful that you stuck around, and if you have watched till here, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.